All right, boys, welcome to a new week, road to 100K. It was a rough week last week, but I feel like we're going to bounce back good this week, follow all of our rules, stay disciplined. And yeah, market opens in like 30 minutes, so we're just out here enjoying the sun, eating breakfast, and hopefully we can have a good start to the week and continue growing and learning as a person. All right, boys, market's about to open in like 3 minutes, so we're looking extremely bullish today. MNQ already took all-time highs, but MES is like still down here, so we got to be careful for a huge high time frame S&T. Yeah, hopefully you can have a good day, good start to the week, and hopefully improve from the mistakes you made last week. Market's dumping off market open. Price white might want to come in and fill this gap that we formed overnight. Probably what we could be targeting, but I'm just scared to take shorts in this market, bro, because it's deadly, bro. You take a short and price could just pump up at any moment, so that's what I'm kind of worried about right now. Put a limit order there.
Order filled.
I want to see price reject off of this level here and try to come back and fill this gap here. Basically, my entry around this short was basically there was no reason to go long because, as you can see, we did not sweep this liquidity on both MNQ and MES, and we also did not form internal S&T at this low. So I do not think this is going to be low. Like, I don't think this is going to be the reversal point. So I do expect price to at least come back and sweep this low on either one. And also we have this gap right here that we formed that I'm targeting, so it's a clear draw on liquidity. And yeah, it's just my narrative to this trade, and we'll see how it plays out. But I don't think price reverses off of here and continues higher, and that's just my personal analysis, and we'll see how it plays out. I just took it on MES because there was actually a fair rally gap perfectly aligned with it.
Order filled.
Alright, TP one hit there. This is a beautiful top tick with equilibrium here. This is why I love using equilibrium, bro, because if you have equilibrium aligned with a PD array, like as you can see, we have a 1 minute for value gap really inside equilibrium. Set a limit order there, literally top tick, bro. And yeah, I do think price is going to go lower now because there's no longer SMT, so price can just freely come down now. We could get stopped here at break even, but I do think price still needs to come down a little more because we still haven't even tapped the midpoint of this fair value gap. I want to see price come down and resweep this low. Sometimes you got to use what you know both ways, because the fact that I knew I couldn't take a long here meant that I knew this low was going to be revisited. So it's kind of like using what I know on the buy side for the sell side. It's like a confluence to go short is there's no confluences to go long, you know what I mean? So that's kind of where I base my trade off of, and hey, it played out. I literally top ticked it, so price is just consolidating, bro. I mean, what can I expect? It's a no news Monday, but still, it's just unfortunate, bro. But hey, what can I expect, bro? We just made the biggest move last week, so this is kind of expected. I'm tempted to move my stop at this breaker block because I do think we could form an SMT after tapping into this 5 minute gap, because I'll still be break even on a day. I might get out here if we come back and tap this. So we come up and tap this 5 minute on MNQ, but we're still below this 5 minute on MES, so we could form bearish SMT, which is even more confluence to go lower. I might add, but we'll see. If we inverse this 1 minute, I'll add.
Order filled.
I love that momentum. Added 3 more contracts there.
Order filled.
Added 2 more there. I love that reaction. Bro, we've gotten so close to this target so many times. I'm actually gonna get pissed off, bro. Can this be the time that market comes down and taps this, bro? Literally, if I had my stop at break even, bro, I would be cooked right now. Like, market's just seeking liquidity, bro. Yo. What's good? Yeah.
Order filled.
Alright, bro. Have a good day. We did it, boys. Sorry, my boy just called me, but we hit TP. Beautiful trade. Yeah, like I said, patience, bro. I literally top ticked the consolidation, bro. I top ticked the chop, bro. Really good trade, really good day, and I hope that you guys had a good trading day too. Not the best market conditions, I'm not gonna lie, but I was able to pull through, catch a beautiful $400 win on all 3 of my accounts, which is beautiful. I'm telling you guys, this week is the week, bro. I'm getting out of drawdown, and I'm gonna get a payout. So just consistency, bro. I feel so much better, bro. I feel like locked into the charts, bro, and I can't just wait to see where this goes. So yeah, I'm gonna hop off the charts now, hit the gym, and then get on with the rest of my day. All right, boys, we're on the way to the gym now. I was at home trying to figure some stuff out. I was supposed to go on vacation literally next week, but I just realized that my passport expires in 3 months, and I guess I can't go on vacation internationally. So I guess that's gonna have to get moved back a bit. That's unfortunate, but hey, we move on. I trust in whatever God has planned for me. But yeah, now we're headed to the gym. We're about to hit chest day, and we also have work today, so that's tough, but we got to continue on moving forward. And we had a great day today. Took a good win in rough market conditions. I'm feeling a lot more confident in my trading ability, and I just can't wait to see where the next month's go and how well I perform, and hopefully I can get a payout. All right, boys, we're back home now eating our post-workout meal. About to finish this up really quick, then we gotta head to work. All right, boys, I'm headed to work right now. I get out 8:30 today, so I'll see you boys when I get out. All right, boys, we're finally out of work. It's been a long day, but we're about to head home now, edit this video, get it uploaded, and then read the Bible, and that's probably it. So let's get to it. Sadly, I can't trade tomorrow because I got work in the morning, so I'm not sure if I'll record a vlog. Maybe. We'll see. But I really don't want to trade at work because last time I did that, I did some dumb stuff, but it's okay to take a day off. And there's also high impact news tomorrow. I know Powell's talking, and we also have 10 a.m. news, so it's probably going to be really volatile tomorrow, really crazy market conditions. But if you guys do trade, just be careful, manage your risk, and just play smartly. But yeah, I'll see you boys when I get home. Alright, boys, we just finished editing today's video. About to get that uploaded real quick. Alright, boys, we're done for the day. Really good day, really good productive day. Now I'm about to end off with the Bible, the Word of God, just enjoying it. And hope you boys had a good day. And if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe. Also, join the Discord. We're active in there. We're all running it up. We're all going to grow together. And yeah, I'll see you boys tomorrow.